We don't want our sauce too thick. Because remember, we want the sauce to get into the bucatini, into that little tiny hole. Is that right?
Yes.
Hi, my name is Courtney and I'm the Director of Brand Marketing here at Haven's Kitchen, and today we are going to be making Bucatini alla Amatriciana. This dish is a traditional Italian recipe, but it's easy enough that you can make plenty of swaps if you don't have these ingredients on hand. So to make this dish, you're going to need a few things. We have our leftover rotisserie chicken, pancetta, some leftover pasta water, a can of tomato sauce, a little bit of Parmesan cheese, some basil, and your cooked bucatini. If you don't have bucatini on hand, you can swap it out for spaghetti. And if you don't have pancetta, you can definitely use bacon, turkey bacon, or if you want to get real spicy, a little chorizo. Again, it wouldn't be your traditional amatriciana, but it is still delicious. So the difference between a bucatini and a spaghetti, if you look just right on top, they look kind of the same, but you can you though? Yeah, you can. If you look in the middle, there is a hole that runs through this thick, delicious pasta. And what that'll do is it'll capture all of the yummy sauce that we're about to make. So Haven's Kitchen red pepper romesco sauce is a really fantastic add to this dish. Packed with 3 different types of peppers, including the chili peppers that you're gonna need in the traditional amatriciana, but also olive oil, a little salt, one of my favorite ingredients, the almonds in it. They give it a nice, creamy, substantial feel. For today's recipe, we really only need 2 things, a strainer for your pasta and a medium-sized skillet. You do not need to heat that bad boy up yet, and I will explain why. All right, so let's get started and make this recipe. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more recipes. So step 1, we're gonna throw our pancetta right onto our cold skillet. So the reason why we want to start with a cold pan is because we want the fat in the pancetta to really render. If we were to throw the pancetta onto a hot pan, it would get brown and beautifully crispy, but that fat would not be rendering the way that we want it to. So now that the fat of the pancetta is nice and rendered, we're gonna add about half a pouch of romesco to the pan. Pancetta, half a pouch of romesco, and now our can of tomato sauce. We're gonna add a touch of our pasta water. We're gonna add that first before we add any salt, because that already has some salt and some flavor to it. So we're gonna mix it all together. And we add the pasta water just to loosen it up a little bit. We don't want our sauce too thick. Because remember, we want the sauce to get into the bucatini, into that little tiny hole. Is that right?
Yes.
We're gonna add in our leftover rotisserie chicken and we're gonna let that warm through. All right, now that we're all warmed through with the chicken, we're gonna toss in our bucatini that's already cooked. So again, you know, if there was like a bucatini shortage a couple months ago where you couldn't find bucatini anywhere, if you don't have it on hand, sub this out for spaghetti. You can't call it traditional amatriciana, but that's okay. Sometimes we just need to like feed the family, you know? All right, guys, this looks and smells absolutely amazing. It was super easy to make. So if you want to make this at home, it's linked below. So click it. Let me know what you think. And thank you so much for cooking with me today. My name is Courtney. Have a good one.